I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so changes are safe. Check Android version and any carrier caps. Open Settings, go to Connections, then Data Usage. Once there, inspect the current billing cycle and the per app usage list so you know where data is going. If mobile data is off, enable it briefly to register usage metrics. Make sure to note baseline numbers. This helps verify fixes later. Now that setup is done, you're ready to adjust app and system behaviors. You'll now limit the apps that drive warnings. First, identify the top consumers in the list and tap an app to view foreground versus background usage. Then, toggle off background data for non-essential apps so they don't sync over mobile. Once done, enable Data Saver from the main data usage screen to reduce overall background activity. Make sure to allow exceptions for messaging or navigation apps you trust. Also check app update settings in Play Store. Set updates to Wi-Fi only so large downloads stop consuming mobile data. Finish by configuring system-level protections. Set a data warning and an automatic limit in data usage to stop excess charges. Disable auto-sync for accounts you don't need constantly updated and schedule backups or photo uploads for Wi-Fi only. After making changes, reboot your phone to apply network rules and then monitor usage for 24 to 48 hours to confirm the warning stops. If you still see spikes, clear cache for the offending app, uninstall updates, or reinstall it. That usually fixes persistent misreported data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.